In this video, we're going to talk about the find function. Find is great for when you need to find a value quickly and you don't want to do it manually. First thing, we're going to launch the find dialog. Now on your home tab, you're going to go all the way to the right and find the editing group. Now, you might not see the words find and select depending on what version of Office you're using and how big you made the Excel window. So if you don't see the words find and select, you can key in on the magnifying glass. Now you're going to click that and then click on find. Now that I have the find dialog open, I'm going to type in a value and see if Excel can find it. Now it jumps straight to the row that has the first instance of Teddy. Now you can also be more specific if you use the options button. Now, I may want to find, say for instance, a particular state code. So I can type the state code and choose match case, and let's see if I can't find a state code with HI. As you can see, it jumps straight to that particular value. Now I can also use the other option to find a particular state code by matching the entire cell contents. So this should only find that 2-letter state code when I do this. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.